Hi, my name is Jennifer Mullins. I'm the owner of Mullins Tutoring Incorporated, and today I'm going to review working with exponents when the base is 10. Our first example is 10 squared, and the exponent tells me how many times I'm going to multiply a number by itself. So when a number is raised to the second power, it just means 10 times 10. And that will give me 100. In my second one, I have 10 to the fourth power, so I'm going to do 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which will give me 10,000. One of the things I always try to tell people is look for patterns. In 10 to the second power, we have 1 times 1, which gives us the 1 over in the answer, and we have 2 zeros. In 10 to the fourth power, we're multiplying by 1 each time, which gives us the 1 in the 10,000 place. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So we can see this pattern that it's always going to be 1 is going to be my first number, and then the exponent tells me how many zeros will be after that 1. So let's look at the next set of problems. I have 40 times 10 to the third power. So 1 times 40 is 40, which we just talked about up here. And then 10 to the third power tells me I'm going to have 3 zeros after the 40. So I'd end up with 40,000. In the next problem, I have 100 times 10 to the third power. 1 times 100 is 100. And then 10 to the third power is 1,000, so I have 3 zeros. So 100 times 10 to the third power is 100,000. 70 times 10 to the third power, 1 times 70 is 70. And then that exponent is going to follow the same pattern. We're going to add 3 zeros to the end, and I end up with 70,000. And another way I could just write this out is 70 times 10 times 10 times 10. And 70 times 10 is 700. 10 times 10 is 100. And that would give me 70,000. So that's just another way to look at the same problem, but a quick way of doing it is multiplying when it's base 10 of 1 times the multiple, and then adding the number of zeros that the exponent is raised to at the end of the number. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful.